Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video so beautiful and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut in short hair. Very attractive and trendy hair dye and so beautiful overall collection in short hair, in low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful hair dye for girls and women. You've seen this video, I hope you like it. Different ideas of hair dye. Most popular, blonde color, lightly blonde, dark blonde, in blonde streaks, highlights, chunks, and very attractive light blonde, highlights, dark blonde, base color. And other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, grey color, light brown, dark brown, funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of haircut. Very beautiful and sweet pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas undercut, and so beautiful collection of hairstyling. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyling, spiky hairstyle. Very attractive collection of spiky hairstyling with undercut, and some ideas fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, and most popular trendy, the trend of 2023, messy hairstyle. Very beautiful collection of short hair messy hairstyle you've seen this video. Overall collection very stylish and beautiful in low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.